So in these videos, we are going to find the mass of a number of particles. And to do that, we need to use these two triangles and put them there for reference so we can show you how we're going to use them to support our working out. So in this first one, we are told we've got a certain number of atoms and we want to find the mass of those atoms. The first job is to convert that number of particles into moles. So I'm using this first triangle and I'm finding moles. So moles is particles divided by Avogadro's constant. So let's write that down. So my moles is going to be the number of particles divided by Avogadro's constant. So number of particles is 5.4, 18 times 10 to the power of 24, and I divide that by Avogadro's constant, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. And when you do that and work that out, you get an answer of 9.10 moles. Okay, not finished because we have to now convert that moles to mass. So I'm now going to use my second triangle to find the mass. So the mass, according to the second triangle, is the MR times by the moles. The MR, this is an atom, so it's carbon is 12 times by number of moles is 9.10, and that gives me an answer of 109 grams. So there's two steps to that particular type of question. We'll just do one more just to make sure you are happy. So we'll have a look at this question here. The reason I'm doing this one is because here we're talking about molecules, which are still particles, and we do the same approach, but we use the MR, as you can see, for the compound, the molecule to do this. Okay, so same steps. We want to first of all work out the number of moles. So the moles is particles divided by Avogadro's constant. The particles are 8.9 times 10 to the power of 24 divided by 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. You're going to put those into your calculator and it's going to come back with the answer of 14.78 moles. Not finished, as we know. We've got to take that and find the mass. So the mass is then the MR times the moles. The MR is 18 for water times by 14.78, and 18 times 14.78 is 266 grams as an answer.